Okay, so when we put all the spindles in here, they're loose. This will move up and down. So we got a great idea to put some bungees on here to hold this together so you can move it around without it falling apart. Okay, now you have to cut your collars, and they're cut on the same angle, so everything remains the same. Another important thing besides cutting the angles here and on your spindles is also you have to line up your holes for your spindles on the same length on each end. If you don't line up the spindles with the holes just perfectly, your railing will lean on an angle and it will not look good. So you just have to remember to get all the angles right in here. We bungeed this together. It's together. We're just going to take it over and put it in place. Okay, so we have it all together and we have all the angles correct and our collars, and we have our screws ready and everything. Okay, so you use about a 3-inch square head is what I use to be able to get into your collars a lot easier than a little stubby one. Okay, you get it in position. You want to make sure you line up your railing so that it's even. It'll be down quite a bit farther on this side, but once you get it lined up and it looks good, you screw it.